What is discovery in criminal proceedings? Imagine being in a courtroom where both sides are trying to get the full picture of what happened. Discovery is the process that makes this possible. It is a key part of navigating criminal proceedings. During discovery, the prosecution and the defense exchange evidence and information related to the case. This exchange helps ensure that both sides know what evidence will be used at trial. It also prevents surprises that could unfairly influence the outcome. Discovery usually includes police reports, witness statements, forensic test results, and other relevant materials. These are the types of evidence that the opposing side plans to present in court. From the perspective of knowing your rights, discovery is very important. It guarantees that the defendant has access to the evidence against them. This allows the defendant to prepare an effective defense. It also helps balance the power between the government and the individual. The process often begins soon after charges are filed. It continues until the trial starts. There are usually several stages involved. First, the prosecution shares initial evidence like police reports and witness lists. The defense can also share relevant evidence at this stage. Next, there may be depositions, which are interviews under oath with witnesses or experts. These help both sides understand the case better. Sometimes, new evidence is discovered during the process. When that happens, it must be shared quickly, even during the trial. In federal cases, discovery often starts after the defendant's arraignment. There are deadlines for sharing evidence, and defense attorneys can request evidence earlier if needed. If the prosecution delays or refuses to share evidence properly, the defense can raise this issue with the judge. This helps protect the defendant's rights. It is important to note that not everything the prosecution has must be shared. Certain materials like attorneys' mental impressions or strategy notes are protected. The focus is on objective evidence that can be reviewed and challenged. Practically speaking, discovery helps defendants understand the strengths and weaknesses of the case against them. It prevents being caught off guard by unexpected witnesses or evidence. It allows for better legal arguments and defenses. Sometimes, it even helps negotiate plea deals if the evidence looks weaker for the prosecution. Overall, discovery is a fundamental right in criminal proceedings. It supports fairness and transparency. It makes sure that everyone has a fair chance to defend themselves under the law.